The pyramids of Egypt are some of the most iconic structures in the world. They stand as testaments to the power and ingenuity of the ancient Egyptians. But these magnificent structures are more than just tombs. They are also temples and cosmic gateways. The pyramids were designed to help the pharaohs transition into the afterlife. They were also built to align with the stars and planets. This showed the deep connection between the Egyptians and the cosmos. The most famous pyramids are located at Giza, on the outskirts of modern-day Cairo. Here, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the Pyramid of Khafre, and the Pyramid of Menkaure dominate the skyline. These three pyramids are the largest and most well-preserved of all the Egyptian pyramids. They were built during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom, around 2500 BC. The pyramids were not built overnight. They were massive construction projects that took decades to complete. Thousands of skilled laborers worked tirelessly to cut, transport, and assemble the massive stone blocks. The pyramids were a source of national pride. They demonstrated the pharaoh's power and the skill of the Egyptian people. These structures are a testament to the ancient Egyptians' belief in the afterlife. They are also enduring symbols of human ingenuity and architectural genius. The pyramids continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit them. The Giza Plateau is home to the most iconic pyramids in the world. The Great Pyramid of Khufu is the largest and most impressive. It was built by the pharaoh Khufu as his final resting place. The pyramid is an incredible feat of engineering. It is made up of over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. Next to Khufu's pyramid stands the Pyramid of Khafre. This pyramid is slightly smaller than the Great Pyramid. It is still an impressive structure. Khafre's pyramid is easily recognizable by the granite casing stones that remain near its summit. These stones give us a glimpse into how the pyramids might have looked in their original splendor. The smallest of the three main pyramids at Giza is the Pyramid of Menkaure. Although smaller, it is still a remarkable structure. Menkaure's pyramid features a complex of temples and smaller pyramids. These structures provide valuable insights into the religious practices of the Old Kingdom. The Giza Plateau is not just home to pyramids. The Great Sphinx, a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of a human, stands guard near the Pyramid of Khafre. The Sphinx is a symbol of royal power and the guardian of the Necropolis. The pyramids were more than just tombs for the pharaohs. They were powerful symbols of their reign. The construction of a pyramid was a massive undertaking. It required vast resources and manpower. This demonstrated the pharaoh's control over the kingdom's resources and his ability to command the obedience of his subjects. The pyramids also served as economic engines. The need to quarry, transport, and shape millions of tons of stone created a demand for skilled laborers, engineers, and artisans. This led to the development of new technologies and techniques. It also fostered economic growth and prosperity throughout the kingdom. The construction of the pyramids had a profound impact on the lives of ordinary Egyptians. It provided employment and opportunities for advancement. The pyramids were a source of national pride. They instilled a sense of unity and purpose among the people. The pharaoh's quest for immortality left an indelible mark on the landscape of Egypt. Their legacy continues to shape our understanding of this ancient civilization. The pyramids stand as testaments to the power, ambition, and ingenuity of the pharaohs and the people who built them. The pyramids were built for a singular purpose, to ensure the successful transition of the pharaoh's soul into the afterlife. The ancient Egyptians believed that death was not the end but a transition to another realm. The pharaoh, as a divine ruler, was responsible for maintaining order and balance in both the earthly and cosmic realms. The pyramids were designed to facilitate the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. The pyramid's shape, with its sloping sides converging at a point, symbolized the rays of the sun. The Egyptians believed that the sun god Ra carried the souls of the dead to the heavens. The pyramid structure was meant to guide the pharaoh's soul towards the sun god. The interior of the pyramid was equally important. Hidden deep within the pyramid's core was the burial chamber, where the pharaoh's mummified body was laid to rest. The chamber was often adorned with intricate carvings and paintings depicting scenes from the afterlife. These decorations served as guides and protectors for the pharaoh's soul. The pyramids were more than just tombs. They were cosmic gateways, designed to connect the earthly realm with the heavens. They reflect the Egyptians' deep-rooted beliefs about life, death, and the afterlife. Section 5. Building wonders, how did they do it? The construction of the pyramids was a logistical and engineering marvel. It involved the quarrying, transportation, and assembly of millions of tons of stone. The workforce was vast and highly organized. It included skilled craftsmen, laborers, and overseers. They worked together seamlessly to complete these monumental structures. The first step in the construction process was quarrying the stone. The Egyptians used copper tools to cut the massive blocks of limestone and granite from the surrounding cliffs. Once quarried, the blocks were transported to the pyramid construction site using a combination of sledges, rollers, and manpower. The placement of the massive stone blocks was a testament to the Egyptians' ingenuity. They built massive earthen ramps that sloped upwards towards the rising pyramid. The stone blocks were hauled up these ramps using ropes, levers, and rollers. As the pyramid grew taller, so too did the ramps. The precision with which the pyramids were built is astounding. The blocks were fitted together with such accuracy that even a thin blade cannot be inserted between them. This level of precision was achieved through careful planning, skilled craftsmanship, and the use of simple but effective tools. Section 6. Secrets in Stone, Astronomy, and the Pyramids. The ancient Egyptians were keen observers of the night sky. Their knowledge of astronomy is evident in the design and orientation of the pyramids. The pyramids were not randomly placed on the Giza Plateau. They were carefully aligned with the cardinal points and certain stars. The most famous example of astronomical alignment is the correlation between the three pyramids at Giza and the three stars in Orion's belt. These stars were associated with Osiris, the god of the underworld and rebirth. The alignment of the pyramids with Orion's belt suggests that the Egyptians believed that the pyramids served as gateways to the afterlife. The pyramids also exhibit advanced mathematical knowledge. The Great Pyramid, for example, exhibits the golden ratio, a mathematical proportion found throughout nature. The presence of this ratio in the pyramid's design suggests that the Egyptians possessed a sophisticated understanding of mathematics and geometry. The astronomical and mathematical precision incorporated into the pyramid's design highlights the Egyptians' advanced knowledge and their desire to connect with the cosmos. These structures were not merely tombs but sophisticated astronomical observatories and repositories of mathematical knowledge. Section 7. Unsolved Puzzles, Mysteries of the Ancients. Despite centuries of research and exploration, the pyramids still hold many secrets. One of the most enduring mysteries is the workforce paradox. While it is generally accepted that the pyramids were built by skilled laborers, the exact size and composition of the workforce remain unknown. Another mystery is the Egyptians' ability to move and place massive stone blocks with such precision. While ramps and levers were undoubtedly used, some scholars believe that the Egyptians may have possessed more advanced technologies that have been lost to time. The missing capstone of the Great Pyramid is another intriguing mystery. The capstone, which would have sat atop the pyramid, is absent. Its whereabouts remain unknown. Some believe that the capstone was made of gold or some other precious material and was looted in antiquity. These unsolved mysteries continue to fascinate and intrigue us. They remind us that our understanding of the ancient world is still incomplete. Section 8. Enduring Wonders, the Pyramids Today. The pyramids of Egypt are a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the ancient Egyptians. They continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit them. Today, the pyramids are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a major tourist destination. Preserving these ancient wonders for future generations is crucial. Pollution, erosion, and the pressures of tourism all pose threats to the pyramids' long-term survival. The Egyptian government, along with international organizations, is working to conserve and protect these irreplaceable treasures. Efforts are underway to manage tourist traffic, reduce pollution, and stabilize the pyramid's structure. Research and documentation projects are also underway to learn more about the pyramid's history, construction, and significance. The pyramids of Egypt are not just remnants of the past. They are living monuments that continue to inspire and amaze us. By protecting and preserving them, we ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to experience the wonder and majesty of these ancient wonders. If you enjoyed this journey through Egypt's pyramids, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating explorations.